Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's video, I will explain you and will show you how we can block USB access using Windows Server group policy for a specific department. Some organizations may need to block a USB storage devices for security reasons, such as preventing leakage of sensitive data or computers getting infected from viruses. So I will explain you how to block access to storage devices like USB drive, flash drive, pin drive, or a mobile phone. And please keep in mind that we will apply this policy without affecting other devices that have USB ports like keyboard, mouse, etc. So we will create a policy that will restrict a USB port on client devices and will restrict any storage access. So for that, let's go to server manager. I have opened here server manager already, and after opening a server manager, let's go to group policy management. So once you are in the group policy, let's go ahead and right click on group policy object, and here we want to create new group policy object. Make sure you name group policy object perfectly and simple so that you will be able to understand it later on, and make sure you have created a group policy in group policy object here, right? So we have created our group policy in the group policy object, right? We haven't linked this group policy with any organizational unit or the group. Let's go ahead and add it. Okay, now we could block USB access either using a computer configuration or a user configuration. These settings are available in both computer configuration and user configuration. So here we are targeting user configurations. So let's expand the policies. In the policies section, let's expand the administrative templates. In the administrative templates, let's expand the system. In system, we have the removable storage access option here. Now in removable storage access section, we have different type of storages to which we can restrict access. So here we have different policies like CD, DVD, floppy, USB, WPD or tape drive. So we are not going to set up all of these removable storage devices. Instead, we are targeting here only one policy to set up that will deny all the storage classes to a USB port. So this will block all storage classes or all storage external media that will connect to a USB port. Let's click on apply and click on OK. So here we have applied our required policy to block all removable storage devices for a specific client group of computers or for all clients computers. Now you can safely close this policy, and let's say here we want to apply this policy to a specific organizational unit. Let's go ahead and create an organizational unit. Let's name it. Okay. Here we got the disabled USB access organizational unit, and we can link this organizational unit with a specific disabled USB access policy that we have created. Once we have linked this group to organizational unit disabled USB access, then you can directly go to Active Directory here, and here you can see the organizational unit disable USB access, and now you can start moving right users to this group because we have set up this policy on user base, not a computer base, right? So once you will start moving users to this computer, you could simply come here and you can open a command prompt, and please run gp update command on the server as well as on the client computers. So make sure your computers are getting synced with the server and are picking up the policy from the server. You can run this GP update command by hitting enter key both on the servers and on the computer so that the policies will get synced between server and computer. And please note that this policy is user based, not a computer based. So make sure your users and computers are getting synced with your server to get this policy immediately. If the policy is computer based, then we have to restart our computers to get this policy effect on our computers. So that's it about today's simple tutorial. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK.